Alright, just finished whooping this guy right here. Got my man Kaloja right here. The reason I called him over though was for him to show you guys how easy it is to do your own DIY customs with the Ucreate composite. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab a pair of Air Forces and he's gonna throw on the little Supreme BOGO on it, just like those one Air Forces they got leaked. They're supposed to release. I don't know when, cause I don't really keep up with Supreme anymore. But let's just get right to it. So we're gonna grab a pair of Air Forces right here. These are like all the extra ones we have. So alright, so I found the extra one here. These like for some reason don't have the other side of the foot. I don't know how it happens, but it happens a lot here. Like these are all extras. Just like there's like a right foot here. That's a right foot. This is a right foot, and then like this is a right foot. So they have 4 right foots here. I don't know where the left foot is. Somewhere probably in there, but we'll go through that another day. So we'll grab this. And then we're gonna come in here and grab the Supreme. Alright, so we got the Supreme sticker here. The Air Force, pass that to me real quick. We got the Air Forces here. The only thing we have left is... And we're also missing this, which is really important. Well, not really, yeah, it is really actually important. For the custom, it's these here. So these like the little transfer sheets here, and we'll show you how to put this on. Alright, so now we're just gonna let this here warm up a little bit. It's gonna like beep when it's ready. And you don't really need this specific iron tool. Like I even had one of my friends actually purchase some composites and he told me he used like actual iron, but don't use an actual iron. Like just buy like a little mini iron tool. This was like 15 bucks on Amazon. And I'll have the link for this in the description. And also it's on the Ucreate website. So we're gonna let this warm up and it's gonna beep when it's ready and we'll go from there. All right, while we wait for that to warm up, I'll play this guy pig real quick. So watch this stroke happen real quick. Right here, he get for shot. Should have never played you, to be honest. We should just waited for it to warm up. I missed all those shots just for entertainment purposes. You know, I really got this wet ball. But this is nice and ready. So now I'm gonna give the guy instructions and he's gonna do it himself. All right, so here, you get this and just cut, since the Supreme thing is really small, you don't need this whole sheet for the transfer. So just like cut like into 3, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And then just cut it this way. There you go. All right, and now that you got this, you want to cut this, separate them so you have one of each. All right, now that you got that, you're gonna put this sticky side over the Supreme. That works too. You could just, you know, just do that. That works too, man.
This one too?
Alright. Yeah, wait, first, and now you're gonna separate. So now you take the white part off. Okay, transfer paper. Something like that. I'll show you guys 2 ways to do this. You can either do it this way, what he's doing right now. And once you do that, you'll have the Supreme image just like this. So you put this face down. The sticky side's up. All right, the other way to do it is just separate the Supreme. So like take the Supreme off, like if it's a sticker. All right, yeah, take it off. Now you want to put this face up. Put that face up. Put it on here. Yeah, put it face up. No, face up, you fucking guy. Face up. And now you're gonna take that off and then you're gonna put the sticky side on top. So like this is the 2 ways to do it. I recommend the other way because it doesn't get all ugly, but I mean this works also. There you go. And then you got 2 of them here now. So now we're gonna put them onto the shoe. So alright, so this is like the reference photo. So we're gonna get the placement as close as possible. So get over here on this side. around. All right, so now you're gonna place that right here to look like that placement. Alright, so you actually don't want the whole thing just like stick down, so you do little by little. So once this is down, you'll start with this, so not get that. And you're gonna like go in a circular motion like for 10 seconds on this, the front side. Yeah, the front side. You wanna do it the other way so like it doesn't hit this Nike sign. So now you're just gonna keep it going and eventually make your way over here. And you know it's done when you take the transfer paper off and the Supreme sticks down. So you want to do the whole thing evenly. You want to make sure you're hitting the bottom of the Supreme part too. Alright, now you can start making your way through the whole thing. The front side now. Right here in the beginning. So just circular motions for about 10 seconds in each spot. So like 10 seconds in the front, 10 seconds in the middle, 10 seconds in the back, and then just keep repeating it until necessary. So I think that should be good. Try to take the thing off. Take it off slowly. So wait, just from the looks of it, you need to get this little tip right here, this little corner more. Everything should be flat and smooth as possible.
Let me get this part there.
Alright, you want to try to take it off now? Slowly. And there you got it. There you have it. So if there's still like bubbles and stuff, you could just put this on again and then just do the same process. So I mean that's really the good thing about this, like you really can't mess up. You can just keep going over and over until you get it right. But just be careful with it because you don't want it to like stretch or anything or mess up when you're taking it off. Alright, I want to try to take it off now. Perfect. So there you have it. Alright, so there you guys have it. Easy DIY custom. We are giving these away for free. All you have to do is just like, comment, and subscribe. And just comment down with your Instagram handle and we'll reach out to you from the Ucrate page. But just make sure you leave like a nice little comment of why you want them. Just don't leave your Instagram handle because then it's just gonna look a bunch of mess in the comment section. And yeah, so we'll reach out to you from the Ucrate page if you comment down below and you'll receive one of these for free. All you have to do is probably just pay shipping. We're excited to send these out to you guys, so make sure you follow those directions and receive one for free while supplies last. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Follow me on Instagram, Brahma001, and now I'm gonna just go redeem myself on a basketball hoop because that looked kind of bad earlier. So yeah, see you guys.